Hey, my name's Alex from Cleaners Talk. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Swiffer Power Jet. If it's not spraying, we have solutions. Okay, first thing I want you to know is that this button right here is what allows the cleaning solution to spray out through the front. First thing I want you to do is go ahead and make sure there's cleaning solution inside the mop. Go ahead and press that button, releases the cleaning solution. If there's cleaning solution inside, go ahead and put it back in. The next solution is to go ahead and check the batteries. As you can see back here, there's a compartment. Slide that towards the handle. It releases the batteries. Check the batteries. Make sure they're in here correctly. Once you confirm that, go ahead and put them back in. If you do need to change them out, go ahead and do that. The next thing you can do is check the nozzles in the front. Make sure they're cleared out, that there's no debris inside. As you can see, there's one here, one there. Make sure that they're nice and clear so the spraying solution can spray. The next step you can do is check the button in the front. Make sure that it's clicking all the way down. This is going to allow the cleaning solution to activate. So make sure this button right here is clicking. The next step you can do is call Swiffer. It could be you have a defected nozzles or you can have a defected mop. They'll be able to help you, possibly get you a replacement or help you troubleshoot your problem.